Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to see deleted messages on Snapchat. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go to Snapchat and log into your account. Once logged in, on the top left hand side click on your profile. Once over here on the top right hand side click on the gear icon. Once over here scroll down and you'll see an option for Help Center. Tap on it. Now scroll down and click on Contact Us. Now here you will be redirected to a submit a request page, and over here click on the first option, I think my account was compromised, and then scroll down and you'll see an option for click here to contact our support team and click on it. Then over here first you'll see a drop down, just click on it and make sure to choose the message recovery option, and then over here make sure to enter your username, your email and also your mobile number, and then just provide a description explaining the entire situation to the customer support, and they will help you in recovering your messages. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.